Hi, I'm Han Zeying from Chen's Group in University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign, Material Science Engineering. And today I'm going to demonstrate you our recently developed self-healing material, which is based on a Hinder-Uric chemistry. The preparation of our self-healing material is from several commercial available reagents. So we mix them together in a proper ratio and then add the catalyst inside so we get this pre-polymer solution. And then we add this pre-polymer solution into the dog bone shaped mold and let it cure in room temperature for about 1 day. And then we can get this dog bone shaped material for our self-healing application. We make this material into this dog bone shaped transparent and non-tacky gel, so we can see that this is very stretchy. And now we are going to use the knife to cut the material in the middle. So now the material are cut into 2 pieces. So now I'm going to bring the 2 pieces back together and touch it for 1 minute. And then I'm gonna put this material in the 37 degrees C incubator and let it heal for about 1 day. So this is the piece of material we cut yesterday and healed for 24 hours. So we can see the cut in the middle, and now if we stretch it, you can see that the material won't break in the middle, so which means it's very well healed.